Doesn't your mouth waters when you see freshly baked cookies? I love them. Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to Create with Ruchi. Before starting the video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification for my upcoming videos. Today I'm gonna share a delicious professional chocolate chip cookie recipe. These cookies are gonna be crispy from outside and gooey from inside. I'm gonna share a secret ingredient which only professional baker uses. So without any further delay, let's get started. I have taken 1 3/4 cup or 200 grams all-purpose flour, which is also known as maida, half a cup or about 115 grams unsalted butter. Make sure butter is on room temperature. Half a cup, which is about 100 grams superfine sugar. For chocolate chip cookies, we will be using two types of sugar, white sugar and brown sugar. So here I have taken about equal amount of brown sugar, which is half a cup, 100 grams. The secret ingredient to make gooey cookies is cornstarch. So here I have taken 1 tablespoon, which is about 7.5 grams cornstarch. To make these cookies, here I am using two types of chocolates. One is 3/4 cup, which is about 125 grams semi-sweet chocolate chips. Another one, half a cup, which is about 100 grams chocolate bar, which I have cut into small chunks. Both the chocolates are for baking purpose and you can find them online or any nearby baking store. You can also use only chocolate chip. Just increase the quantity of chocolate chips. To give vanilla flavor to these chocolate chip cookies, here I have taken 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, half a teaspoon, which is about 2.5 gram baking soda, half a teaspoon 2.5 gram salt, and 1 large egg. Now here I have taken a large bowl and hand whisk. Add room temperature butter in the bowl. As you can see how soft this butter is. For that, take out the butter from the fridge about half an hour before making this dough. Now take the whisk and whisk the butter for 5 minutes or until it's light and fluffy. So after whisking for 5 minutes, as you can see how fluffy this butter has become. Now we will add sugar. If you don't have fine sugar, you can take granulated sugar and you can grind that into fine sugar. That's what I did. Now add brown sugar. Mix butter and sugar. Whisk them for 2 to 3 minutes and it should be very light and fluffy. As you can see how the color of this mixture has changed. You can also use electric mixer. Now we will add vanilla extract. Give it a good mix. Now I am adding egg to this mixture. Now mix everything very well. After everything is very well combined, scrape the edges and give it a good mix one more time. Now keep this mixture aside. Now let's move towards the next step. In a bowl we will see flour, cornstarch, salt, and baking soda. After sieving, we will add the flour into the butter mixture that we prepared earlier. Now we will mix everything and we will prepare a dough. Our chocolate chip cookie dough is ready. At this stage, I am adding chocolate chips and chocolate chunks. Mix them. After mixing them, I'm covering the bowl with cling wrap and I'm gonna keep this dough in fridge for about 10 minutes so that it sets nicely. In the meantime, I have prepared baking tray with parchment paper. I have also preheated my oven on 350 Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. After 10 minutes, I have taken the dough from the fridge. With the help of ice cream scoop, I'm scooping up some cookie dough. One by one, I will place scooped cookie dough on the baking tray. While placing, make sure that you give enough space in between each cookie dough. These are ready to bake. I'm placing baking tray in preheated oven, which is 350 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius, and these will take about 14 to 15 minutes to bake. So our delicious chocolate chip cookies are ready. Right now they are very hot, so we will give them about 2 minutes for them to cool down a little. After 2 minutes, our delicious cookies are ready. As you can see how beautiful they look. Trust me guys, this recipe is so good that you will prepare your chocolate chip cookies every time with same recipe. I'm sharing with you guys an amazing trick. So whenever you or your family wants to eat hot freshly baked cookies but don't want to prepare dough every time, for that what I'm doing here is I'm scooping up some balls with leftover chocolate chip cookie dough. Now with the help of hands I'm preparing the balls. Same I'm doing with the remaining dough. So all the chocolate chip cookie dough balls are ready. Now place this tray in fridge for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes they are set firm. Now place these chocolate chip cookie dough balls in some Ziploc bag or any airtight container. Remove any excess air and zip it airtight. Now keep this bag in freezer. You can store these dough balls for up to a month. Now whenever you want, you can take out any amount of cookie balls. Place them on baking tray and let them sit for about 10 minutes outside. Then bake them same way and your freshly baked cookies will be ready without any extra work. Serving the hot cookies with cold milk is the best combination. These cookies are loved by kids, elders, friends, family, everyone. Prepare them fresh and they will be gone in no time. If you like my recipe, give a big thumbs up to this video. It's a very easy and very delicious recipe. Do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for my upcoming videos. Stay healthy, stay safe. Until the next video, bye bye.